Hey guys, what's up? So it is that time of the month again. It is subscription box time. So here we have the Ipsy Boxycharm box for the month of April. So if you'd like to see what's inside, then just stay tuned. Little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this box to try. So if you guys didn't know, Ipsy and Boxycharm have now joined forces to give you the best in beauty. And just like Boxycharm, Ipsy is a beauty subscription service that delivers a set of personalized beauty products straight to your front door. And this makes it super easy to discover new brands or products that you might not have known about before. Plus, with Ipsy, you always get a say of what goes in your glam bag or box each month after you take their beauty quiz. And the beauty quiz is just a very quick questionnaire about you, your preferences, your eye color, skin type, skin tone, and so much more. There are 3 options at the moment to choose from on the Ipsy site. First, we have the glam bag option, which is only $13 a month. With this option, you get 5 personalized deluxe size beauty samples that are worth up to $70. And they all come in a super cute makeup bag. You also get to choose 1 product for this bag each month. I already did a video on my glam bag that I received this month, and if you haven't checked that out, then head on over and do so after this video. The second option is the Boxycharm box, which is what we will be unboxing today. This option is $28 a month, and you get 5 full-size products that are all worth up to $200. And with this option, you get to pick 3 products or all 5. And then there is the last option, which is the Icon box. This is a quarterly box, which is $58 quarterly. You get 8 full-size products, and they are worth up to $350. So there is an option for everyone. But without further ado, let's jump into this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. All right, so starting us off, we have this little card here, and this month's theme is anything is possible. And on this little card, it says, a new season is bound to welcome some amazing changes for us and for you. While we're bringing the best of Ipsy and Boxycharm together under Ipsy to create the ultimate beauty membership, get ready to embrace all the new possibilities this spring. Make more thoughtful, sustainable beauty choices. It's Earth Month after all, experimenting with the latest makeup trends and expressing every gorgeous side of you. And then inside this little card are some beauty trends that will be hot this spring. So it looks like what's going to be hot this spring is heavy blush, lip gloss, and like skincare, bare skin. All right, so let's jump into the products for this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. The first product in this month's box is the Ole Henriksen Truth Brightens and Color Corrects Banana Bright Vitamin CC Stick. This is enhanced with vitamin C, caffeine, and brightening pigments. So with this, I definitely could tell a difference in my under eye area after using this. It looks a little something like this. This is a universal brightener, which means it's going to look good on all skin tones, and this is going to color correct those dark circles. And plus it's got that vitamin C in it, so it's also good for the under eye area as well. Next in this month's box, we have the Drunk Elephant Oh Blues Rosy Drops. This is a liquid blush that has omega fatty acids and sappanwood bark in it. And you guys, this is such a beautiful blush. It just kind of gives you that natural flushed look. So here's what the component looks like. And then when you take the top off, it's just got the little dropper end. And I did use this today. And I really, really like the way that it makes my cheeks look. So it looks like that and then blended out. You can go sheer with it or you can build it up and make it more opaque. So this is gonna really give you that youthful glow as well as lightly blush those cheeks up. And I really like how it's got those essential fatty acids in it, so it's good for the skin as well. It's gonna keep you soft and soothed. Next in the box, we've got the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette. And this is in 6 Smoky. Here's what the packaging looks like. It's got the 6 on there, and then you open it up, and it is a beautiful cool toned palette. And let me just move my bangs out of the way so you guys can see that I do have this palette on my eyes today, and it is just so, so beautiful. This black is so super black. Holy cow, look at that. And then this shade right here is so interesting. It looks like a black shimmer with like maybe silver flakes in it, but swatched, it is, you can't tell. Okay, let's see. There we go. It's almost like a blue, like it's got a shift of blue. It is so beautiful and just different. When I tried this out, I was like, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. So, so pretty. All right, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch the rest of these for you guys as well. And there are all of the shades swatched. Next, we've got the Ciate London collaboration with Smiley Lip Mask. This is a 2-in-1 everyday balm and mask. You guys, I have tried this product out before. I actually emptied this product and I am in love with this product. So it looks a little something like this. It is so super cute. The packaging. And then it looks a little something like that. I have been already dipping into this because I love it so much. But this can be used as like an everyday balm or like a lip mask before you go to sleep, and I use it for both. This became a staple in my nighttime skincare routine, so I'm so excited that I have another one to replenish it. And last but not least, in the box, we have the Pacifica 100% vegan and cruelty-free vegan collagen recovery body butter. This has vegan collagen, flower extracts, essential lipids, antioxidants, and it smells so, so good. Kind of like rose. And a little bit goes a long way with this. And it's just so thick and just so creamy and makes the skin feel absolutely amazing. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy and Boxycharm for sending me yet another box to try. And thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more. And I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.